Morning goods.
How's your first night?
My ninja, it's very good.
Nice. Nice throw, bro.
Dinukuan.
Yeah, right. Regla. Ew. Good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up?
Morning goods.
How's your first night?
My ninja, it's very good.
Morning, Kuya Alice. How was your first night again dito? Good? Yeah?
Second day here.
Second day. Good job. Well, yung first night mo last night, how was it? Good? You slept good?
Yes,
Tummy hurts? Oh my. Kumusta naman experience mo, pare?
Okay lang pare.
5-star ba?
Oo, sagot mo eh.
Derek, interview naman kita. Maupo ka dito. Camera shy ka, ha? Ayan, si Sir Bugok. Bugok ba yun?
Kabugok.
Kabugok. Guys, anong agenda natin today? Anong gagawin sa labas? Saan?
Mag-picture.
Yan. Wala man lang activity?
Pwede mo kakaya?
Mababaw. Tsaka ngayon maganda, hindi malakas ang hangin. Guys, hindi namin alam yung gagawin namin today. So, trying to figure it out. May gustong mag-kayak, yung iba gusto mag-volleyball, yung iba gustong mag-karaoke. Kanya-kanyang trip. Let's go outside. Iniwan mo anak mo. Mas excited ba eh. Let's go, let's go, let's go guys. Hi! Hi Kuya Alice. Good morning, morning. Mga idol. Ha? Hawaii?
So what about me?
Oh.
I never saw this tree.
What? This tree? Nandiyan yung tree na yan.
That tree is growing.
Yeah, that tree is growing. I think this is an apple tree. Crab apple tree. Dito tayo naglaro nung last year, ba?
You can. It's low.
Yeah, like we're jumping.
Yeah.
And I fall
You fall,
too
yeah.
many times.
We should start a fire. Go like those woods. Some of those woods. Please, guys. Put it here. Let's go. Nako-collect ako ng wood. Yeah, those ones. Let's go. Tulong, tulong, tulong. Tara. Go, kuya. Go. Put some of the wood in there. Hilahin mo nga yan. Hilahin natin to. Go. Let him cook. I said, let him cook. Let's go, bro. That's too big, man.
I like it.
You're not gonna break that. Tahimik kagabi. Bangengi si Philip kagabi. Bangengi.
Hindi ako gabi yan. Tagal ko nakaupo doon.
I wanna play.
Let's play, dali. Dapat talaga pick up.
Nice.
Ganda ng bato, oh.
Nice throw, bro.
Ganda ng bato ni Mahal.
Nilalaro ko yun ng high school eh.
What? What?
Uy, matama ako.
Coach Philip. Ayan si Coach Philip. Nice throw, buddy. Oh, Butterfinger. Hi, Ate Serena. Good morning. How's your first night dito? Yeah, you like it
I
here?
got to sleep alone on the top bed.
Oh, wow. You're a big girl now. That's why, right?
I already have a bunk bed at home.
Oh, yeah? There you
I
go.
love bed.
Oh, do you sleep by yourself now? Oh, good job. Oy, ang lakas mo nang bumato eh. Bata ang kalaro mo, Philip ha. Hindi adult. Malakas yata magbato si Philip, no? Jinky, nagbabato ba yan?
Maghihiwalay.
Maghihiwalay kayo? Eh, nagbabato lang naman ng football.
Hey, ikaw, dali.
Eric, salo. Yan, yun. Oh, yeah, may volleyball pa. Gili pa rin yan, men.
Okay.
Bro, I love fire, man. I love bonfire. Go play. Nice. Good job, Kuya Alice. Guys, ang laki na ng fire namin, oh. Look at that. That's hot, eh, Kuya?
You can burn yourself.
Yeah, so be careful. Depender ako, ha. Ready?
Hot, go! Dali!
Lagay.
Konting physical naman.
Okay, game.
Set, hot!
Touchdown!
Ang dilas!
Bagsak eh.
Go, go!
Hot, hot! Oh! Sakit na puwit. Nagdagasa ako doon. Set, hot!
Ayun, layo! Ang layo, man.
Para yung hot! Go! Sorry.
Ready?
Set, hot! Balik!
Guys, ito na. Okay guys, bagong ano naman oh, bagong trip. Magkakayak na. Oh, game nga. Go. Dalawa kayo ni Cyrod.
Go.
Ano, mga model. Sarap ba yung gabi mo, Ann?
Hindi ako nakatulog.
Hindi ka nakatulog?
Hindi gumagano sila kayo.
Ang bigat eh. Ayan, Emil, you wanna go inside the water? Go.
No.
Oh, ayaw naman.
Ayaw mo.
Ayan na si Emil. Careful ah. Guys, Father's Day pala. Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay out there. Just like myself. And happy Father's Day sa tatay ko. Love you, mama. Chup. Mga OG oh.
God.
Ha?
Old but God.
Old bad God. Ogag. Mga ogag pala to, hindi OG. Ogag! Guys, nakita nyo naman yung kapatid ni Taguro na andito sa Winnipeg. Pakilala ka, pare.
Ako si Rudy.
Kapatid ni Taguro, ayan o. Okay. Kapa, game. Nananak mo lang sir, may block. May block mo. Oh, lipat.
Sa school kasi namin walang football eh.
Defense. Oh! Wow! Wow! Bye. Sabay. Ready? Huwag ka uminto. Ready, Philip? Hut. Yeah. Ay! Sorry, Biti. Yo! Ginagawa yung kapitbahay. Wow, pare, ano niluto mo?
Pare, dinuguan.
Yeah, right. Regla. Ew. Ano yung menudo?
Minuto pare.
Sarap ba yan?
Oo naman.
Si Ann naman nagluluto eh. Eh, ano to isa? Sopas. Si ano naman ang nagluto? Si Sarah G. Sarap naman yan. Tina ko ha, mahilig ako sa sinigang. Like, favorite ko yun. Tina ko kung papasa.
Sige, pag pumasa,
Lutuan mo ulit kami.
100 per order.
Nata yung chips. Cover sana.
Ito, madami. Chips ka mo eh. Malalaman ng sinigang ni Sarah kung masarap.
Tum na ako eh.
Ayun, gutom na si Boss. Si Boss Philip.
Dapat mga babae natakbo sa gaya.
Sa football. Kim, saan mo nakilala si Ann?
Sa Tagig.
Sa Dakigan po.
Sa Tagig na, sa may market.
Ay, kamukha may nagtitinda sa Sa hotdog.
Ano ba yun?
Mga kabataan dyan.
Oh, si Neneng B. Neneng B! Anong ulam? Saan mo nakilala si Ann?
Sa BGC pare.
Maayos na usapan.
Sa Tulisoy.
Nakakilala mo siya dati doon.
Dati po.
Sino mas matanda sa inyo? Tapos dito ulit kayo nagkita. O, minessage mo.
Hindi, nagkaroon lang. Nagkita mo dito.
What's up guys? Ihaw time na. Let's go. Meron tayong inihaw liempo. Chef Marlo. Hindi chef. Ganda yung tong nila, mahaba.
Para ilong mo.
Hi, what's your name? What's your name? What are you eating, Kuya Ellis? Wow, cheers. Show them your toe. Look. Cheers. Yummy? This is mine, yeah. Huwag mo pansinin. Ayun na. Nahiya na siya. Tira mo. Dumadakot. Dance. Morning, Emil. Home time. Home time, Ate Serena. Did you have fun? Yeah. Gotta come back here again. Home time, boys. Let's go clean up na. Morning, kay Alice. Morning. It hurts? What happened? Sit down with ate. Home time, yun, ang daming kalat, oh.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Zara. Sarah G.
What's this?
Kamusta naman yung ano mo, first time mo kagabi? Pag-a-addict mo kagabi?
First and last one.
Ligpitan na and then breakfast. Tapos alis na kami. That's it. Maikli masyado ang 2 nights and 3 days. Maganda 3 nights and 4 days. Para talaga sulit. But we still had fun. Check ulit ang mga room. Baka may maiwanan kayo. Uwian na. Bye, Ate Serena. Let's go. Oh, good job, Amin. Hi. Ready to go home?
Oh yeah!
Let's go. Bye, guys. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A lot. Wow. Spelling.
See you again next year.
See you again next year. Bye, Serena. Love you. Oh, habang libre pa, picture muna. Ayan. Okay. Final check. Everything looks good. May naiwan ng mga Coke. I think we are good. That's it. We'll be back next month.
Synonym. Get away from me. Yardstick ball in order. Never did much to set me free. I got a new cannon. I met a